Hello everybody again, here's our promised midweek little extra bit, and today at the moment we're going to make some drop scones. So what I've got in the bowl here is a couple of eggs and some flour, and Lexi's going to mix it while I just pour some of the buttermilk in. Going to mix it up, give it a good mix up. Now while she's doing that, I'm just going to get some of my spices out. So spices in the 15th century were very valued, so they were kept under lock and key. So I've got mine in my little box here. I'm just going to sprinkle this in. A little bit of ginger in there.
Yeah. Ginger.
And a little bit of cinnamon. So, more milk in there. There we go. Mix that up and we're going to get a nice sprinkling of cinnamon in there as well. So there we go, that's our spices. Now I think we need a little bit more milk in there.
It's getting hard.
Okay. Now I'll just show everybody the whisk. This whisk that I'm using is made from twigs, just bound together. You boil the twigs to get rid of all the bark and make sure they're nice and clean, and then just tie them together with twine, and that's what we use for our mixing. Okay. Okay, we need let's just pour the rest of that buttermilk in, I think. Right, there we go, let's get that going.
Can I try my buttermilk?
Okay, a little bit stiff still.
You can use my water.
I'll use a little bit of your water, yeah.
Is that good?
That's better. Let's get these nicely whisked up, all mixed together.
Can I see it? Is it dough?
It's a bit doughy, yep, but this should rise nicely. Now what we've got to add to this now is our sweetener. Now in here I've got some honey, so we're just going to add the honey to that. And Lexi's going to mix that in for me, aren't you, Lexi?
Yeah. Which I love honey.
You love the honey, yeah. Why don't we just pour that last little bit in? There we go.
Can I eat the rest of that honey?
You can eat the rest of the honey later.
I can just lick
And the other thing, we're going to just sprinkle some raisins in there as well.
Oh.
Look at that. That's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, can I just give it another good whisk?
Yeah. I can do it quicker than me, so I think
Yeah,
I'll
it's got to be a good, nicely whisked up. I think I'm going to throw the rest of those in as well.
Can I lick the honey out of this bit?
That's salt. You won't want to lick that one out of that one.
Oh, can I lick the honey out of it?
You can have that. Yes. Right, now what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the fire with a big spoon.
Ooh, honey.
So right, let's move over to the fire now. And it's already on the go here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the butter that we churned on the griddle pan. Get us started. Ooh. That's that. And then we're using our spoon. We're just going to put that on there like that. Four at a time there, just to get us started off. What's my spatula? It's on the table there. Just leave those for a few minutes just to cook. They've risen quite nicely there on the heat. idea where that's disappeared to. Never mind, I've got a wooden one here that I can use now. Oh, it's on the floor. There we go. Just see what these are like. Just flip these over. Oh, look at those. Absolutely perfect. Oh, that's a bit burnt.
Oh, drop scones. Drop scones.
Drop scones. Freshly cooked over the fire. A little bit on the burnt side there. Lexi, could you bring me a plate, please?
Yes.
Just cook these. That's lovely, thank you.
It has got a bit of bread on this one.
Alright, we'll lose that.
Because I used it for my bread when I was making.
Ooh. There we go. Those in there. It'd be nice served with a little bit of butter on them. Drop scones, yes. We just do that again. A little bit more butter on there. We'll use up our mixture. Ooh. Wow. Let's see if we can do some without burning them this time, shall we?
I can see that it's already burning. Not burning. Just getting good. That's already turning.
So we're turning brown, is it?
Yeah. And wow. One's a bit burnt.
It's a bit burnt, yeah. And there you have it. Drop scones made with the buttermilk. So if you'd like the recipe, just drop me a message on the Facebook page and I'll put the ingredients up for you. Thanks for watching.